Hello students, this is the ninth question. First we read this question. If Q 0, 1, it is a point which is equidistant to P and R. That means the distance between Q and P is the same to Q and R. So if it is a 10 units and this is also 10 units. Okay, that is the condition. If it is like that, find the value of x. Here if you see Q 0, 1, P 5, minus 3, or x value is there, a unknown value we have to find, that is x. So x, 6. So what is the value of x? To find the value of x, we have to use this condition. The given condition is QR and QP. If QR and QP are equal, then find x value. Okay, that is the first part. Also find QR and PR distances. They may ask anything. Okay, let's come to the point. Now, according to the problem, they have given QR, QP is equal to QR. QP is equal to QR. So Q value write down, drop down the point. P value drop down. R Q value 0, 1 drop down. R value, R point x, 6 drop down. Write the formula, substitute. But here the condition is given is equal to. So for here we have two equations, that means two sides, LHS and RHS are there. So we have to solve x value. So squaring on both sides, we already discussed how it will be eradicated. So now 5 square plus minus 4 square plus here x square, here 5 square will remain. So 5 square is 25 plus 16 is equal to x square plus 25. So 25, if you bring this side, it will cancel, so that we can cancel. So x is equal to 6, x square is equal to 16, x is equal to root of 16. Therefore x is equal to plus or minus 4. So root of 16 value is always, root of 16 is 4. We say that. But x is equal to root of 16 mean x is equal to plus or minus 4. That means this r is equal to x, 6. What is x value? We have two values for the x. R is equal to plus 4, 6. R is equal to minus 4, 6. We have two values for x. Now here if you think r is equal to x, 6, that means r is equal to 4, 6. Dear students, the same point with minus 4, 6 won't be here. That means QR, QP is there. QR may be here or may be here. Therefore, R may be here minus 4, 6. So, I have taken here, this may be plus 4 plus 6. That means it will be in first quadrant. But R has shown two values, that is minus 4, 6 also there. Therefore, another point, plus 4, 6 is one point, minus 4, 6 is another point in the coordinate system. Therefore, if you check carefully, this point, this is one point, plus 4, 6, and another point is also there. That's what here we have to find QR and PR. QR has two chances, QR of positive, QR with negative number. So first we will take positives 4, 6. Then QR and PR we have to find. write down q, drop down q value or coordinates, p coordinates, r coordinates. So 4 coordinates are required. Now first to find the distance between qr, write the formula, substitute, simplify, you will get a root of 41 units. And find out PR, write the distance formula, substitute values. So I have dropped down here, you need not to check somewhere, all the points are here, you can easily substitute. So just substitute, simplify, you will get root 81 units, 82 units. Now if r minus 4 comma 6, here r plus 4 comma 6 values, pr and qr, but here qr and pr values, there are minus 4 comma 6, same way drop down q or, so we are going to find qr, write the formula, substitute, simplify, you will get 41 units. And again p and r, drop down, write the distance formula, substitute, simplify. So 81 plus 81, 281s. So we can write down 81, root 81 into root 2. Root 81 is 9, 9 root 2 for PR. So here QR and PR, actually we should get only 2, one QR and one PR, but we have another set also there. So the R may be here, or we can take both the points. This belongs to first coordinate, this belongs to the second quadrant. That's all.